Okay, children, page 23, we had done exercise A and B of the test paper. Now we will continue with the remaining two exercises, that is C and D.
D.
Okay, let's start. Havira, exercise
Ma'am,
C.
which page number?
Page 23, I sent it,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
You should always check your WhatsApp group. I normally write the page number and the subject in the group. Havira, write yes or no, read sentence number 1 and then give me the answer, child. Please switch on your camera. Wait, child, wait. I will not be able to hear you. Yes, Havira, read the sentence, beta.
Cotton comes from the cotton plant.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So write yes and write yes with a capital Y, children. Okay?
मैम पेज नंबर बता दीजिए, बुक नेम बता दीजिए, मेरे तो कोई मैसेज नहीं आया.
How is this possible, Naima, that you are not getting a text? And please, Naima, try to talk in English. You can always say, ma'am, please tell me the page number. Page number is 23. Yes, Havira, good girl. Suknur, read sentence number 2,
Yes,
child. Read sentence number 2.
Students wear uniform in school. Yes.
Yes, but Suknur, you are not reading on your own, beta. Students wear uniform in school. The answer is yes, children. Please write yes over there. Ekag. Ekag, switch on your camera, please. Number 3. Ekag, your mic is not switched on, child. Ekag, I have to see you, child. I can't see you. Ekag, again. Ekag.
House, yes.
We feel safe in our house. Yes or no?
Ma'am, yes.
Very good. Yes, the answer is yes. Advait. Number 4.
Yes, ma'am. We cook food in the kitchen. Yes.
Very good. Yes. This is how you should be answering. Very nice. Hanifa.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5.
The lunch is the last meal of the day. No.
Very good. The answer is no.
No.
Okay. Finished this, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hashvi, let us move on to the next exercise. Fill up the blanks. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Hashvi, the first one, a dash stitches our clothes. Hashvi, a dash stitches our clothes. Hashvi, beta, I can't hear you. A dash stitches our clothes. हमारे क्लोथ्स कौन स्टिच करता है हर्षवी?
Cobbler. Tailor, ma'am.
Hashvi, switch off your mic, child. Your answer is wrong. Akshita Yadav. A dash stitches our clothes.
A dash.
Akshita, no. You are not answering on your own, so let it be. Abdullah. Abdullah, are you there in class? Please switch on your camera, beta. A dash stitches our clothes. हमारे कपड़े कौन सीता है अब्दुल्ला?
Trailer.
Very good. And Abdullah, can you give me the spelling of tailor, please? Try.
T. T.
I.
I. N. L. R.
L-O-R. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Ayansh, you are not writing, child. Put your hand down.
And tailor put hand out. Yeah.
Tailor stitches our clothes. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Akshay Gupta, number 2. Switch on your mic, please. A dash house is made of bricks. A dash house is made of bricks. अक्षय, कौन सा घर ब्रिक्स का बना हुआ होता है?
Bakka house.
Very good. And can you give me the spelling of Pakka?
P-A-K.
P-U-C-C-A. Okay? Write in the blank column, children. P-U-C-C-A. Good, Akshay. Nish. Myra Fatma. Number 3. We. Yes.
We should keep our house clean.
Very good. And the spelling of clean, beta?
Clean.
CLEAN. Clean. We should keep our house clean. Very good.
Keep our house clean.
Nishkat. Nishkat. The last one. Dash is the first meal of the day.
Breakfast.
Very good. The word is breakfast. Spelling बोल सकते हो breakfast की?
BREAKFAST. Breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Good. Okay. Now, please click a picture of this page and send it to me in the group, children, just now. The full page.
Breakfast.
Very good. I want
Left.
click the picture, children, and send me.
Number 5 is left.
इसमें नंबर 5 में है. Okay. तुम लोग की बुक में नंबर 5 है ना? Wait.
Night dresses while going to sleep.
Please keep quiet, all of you. Arsalan, please switch on your mic. Do you have number 5 in your book, Arsalan? Arsalan,
Yes.
is there a sentence number 5 in the book, child? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read it, but I don't have it in my book. I have the old book. So please read it.
We wear night dresses. While going to sleep.
Okay. Blank में क्या भरना है? Arsalan, what do you have to fill in the blank?
Sleep.
Okay. Please send me the picture of. Okay, the last one is sleep, children. Mine is an old book, so I don't have it in my book, children. Okay, now quickly click the image of this full page and send it to me, children, in the group. The group is open. Advait, check the spelling of healthy child. wear night dresses while going to sleep, yeah? Okay, Advait, checked. Ayansh, okay. Shayan, okay. Akshat, okay. Nabiha, okay. Yes, Hanifa. Okay, Arsalan. Yes, Akshita. Vidushi, exercise A. Please check your exercise A. Vidushi, your exercise A is wrong. We get eggs and milk. No. You have to tick the box that is in front of the answer. तुमने ए प्लांट्स पे क्लिक कर रखा है. वी गेट एग्स एंड मिल्क फ्रॉम एनिमल्स होता है. तो जो बॉक्स एनिमल्स के सामने है विदुषी, यू हैव टू पुट अ टिक मार्क ऑन दैट एंड देन फिल इन द ब्लैंक ऑल्सो चाइल्ड. यू हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक ऑल्सो. Vidushi, you have not filled the blank. Please write the answers in the blank and then send me the image. Okay, Nishkar, good. Saida, okay. Havira, you have not filled the blank in exercise A. Please tick the correct option and then write it in the blank. You have not ticked the first sentence, the first statement. We get eggs and milk from. Havira, complete it and send it. We should keep our house clean, Ekagr. It is not thieves. And Ekagr, you have the old book, so please write the last statement in your book. Advait, okay. Myra, okay. एकाग्र देखो मायरा ने कैसे करा है वैसे ही करो. नाइमा, आई वॉन्ट द इमेज ऑफ द फुल पेज. यू हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एंड देन सेंड मी द पिक्चर चाइल्ड. सुखनूर, प्लीज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एंड देन सेंड द इमेज in exercise A. Akshay Gupta, fill in the blanks in exercise A and then send the image. Okay, Devansh, correct. Myra, I want the image of the full page, please. Myra Fatima, image of the full page. Okay, children, your classes for today are over, children.
Ma'am,
I will be sending you homework
excuse me, ma'am.
and then